The Smith & Wesson SWA-24S is a tactical folding knife designed for the rigors of EDC carry. Perfect for constant use, the 3.1-inch serrated 7CR17 high-carbon stainless steel clip-point blade excels at slicing through just about any material. The black aluminum handle has strategically placed jimping and finger cutouts for a secure grip. Open the blade by way of the ambidextrous thumb knobs and the index flipper. This is the Smith & Wesson SWA-24S Extreme Ops Liner Lock Folding Knife, a quality tool designed for your most demanding needs.
This is the Schrade SCHF-27 Extreme Survival Knife, a versatile knife with the superior strength of a full tang. The SCHF-27 bristles with capability, making it a knife of choice for outdoor enthusiasts prepared to face the rigors of wilderness survival. The 6.6-inch drop-point blade comes shaving sharp. Pierce, slice, and chop with a fine edge. Constructed using high-carbon 8CR13 Movi stainless steel, it's strong enough to baton kindling, and the titanium coating increases edge retention and corrosion resistance. Use the cutout in the spine to scrape fatwood for fire-starting material. Generate sparks by using the cutout as a striker against a ferro rod. Grip the black TPE handle, even under challenging conditions, with the underside finger contours, thumb rest, and blade guard. It affords a sure grip. Choke up to take advantage of the finger choil and cutout for controlled cutting. Pull the spring-loaded pin in the handle to deploy the SCHF-27's titanium-coated pry tool. Features of the tool include a gut hook, screwdriver, and quarter-inch hex wrench. Use the ring as a tether option. Remove the mechanism to use the handle's butt as a crushing tool. Slide the nylon-filled glass fiber sheath over your belt, or take advantage of the multiple grommets and slots to lash the knife to gear or garb. Designed to see you through the unexpected, crafted from premium materials, and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCHF-27 Extreme Survival Knife.